guys, welcome back to my channel. Today again we got some more summer to fall transition outfits. I'm loving this whole series, so I am gonna try to do as many as I can while I can, because like I said before, summer to fall transitions can be a little bit tricky because of the functionality of the whole thing. You need to be able to wear it in the heat. If it gets warmer, you need to be able to wear it in the cold. So the functionality of all of it can make it a little bit tricky and a little bit confusing. So yeah, that is why I am dedicating another video to this, and it is so much fun to do it as well. I love it. I enjoy it so much. So yeah, and if you want to see more of these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Canby Rehal. I post outfit inspiration videos twice a week, so you don't want to miss out on that, because what you might see here you might not see there, and what you might see there you might not see here. So you don't want to miss out on any sort of outfits. So go ahead onto my Instagram and subscribe, or follow and subscribe down here, and continue watching this video as well. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye. Ooh, so exciting.
Okay guys, so we are gonna start this off right away with the chunky sweater and black denim shorts from Aritzia Denim Forum. I love this because you still get that cool summer vibe with the sweater off shoulders, so it is absolutely stunning. I think nothing like a chunky sweater and shorts. That's so summer fall vibes. Yum. I love it. Amazing. This look is one of my favorites, I would have to say. And then as we go on to the next one, we can just easily just swap that sweater out for something completely different. And I mean, that's the best part about like summer fall. It is about functionality, and you do have to realize that it could get hot. So like you can just take that off and put it around the shoulders and just make it look super, super cool and preppy. I love this because layering is one thing about fall. It could be a little tricky, but once you get it, you really get it. It's awesome. Putting it over the shoulders. Who likes it as much as I do? Anyways, as we go on, I kept the same shorts on, the black, and then just added another bra top, a black one, and a long cardigan, which kind of keeps the legs warm at the same time. I love long cardigans. I will never give up on long cardigans, and this is such a nice cozy one with the balloon sleeves sort of look. And yeah, I wear this all year round. Summer, fall, spring, bring it on. Okay, so nothing is screaming fall than this cardigan. Oh my god. And I have been seeing bootcut jeans everywhere, and I've had these ones I'd say for a couple of years now. They are the Gap high-rise ones, and just with a nice bra top and this amazing chunky fall sweater. It's so warm. Like, I would say that this is more of the cooler fall days because this sweater is so warm. Right now it's not as cool, but it looks great. Love the colors on this. Switch it out because we are seeing blazers again all over the place. So I like to give it more of that cool girl vibe by just rolling up the sleeves, and oversized, the bomb. I love it. So nice. Add a pair of heels and let the toes breathe, because we are still somewhat in summer. We're technically not really into fall. And I kept the same bootcut jeans. They look great with the heels and the same bra top. Obviously, just switch the cardigan over to the blazer. And the best part about this blazer is the fact that it has such large pockets, but any sort of plaid blazer would look amazing. This looks great with like even shorts, if you were to wear shorts, which I have done even with like biker shorts and whatnot. And this is just amazing. Pull it on, and it's quite thick and heavy too, so because it's so loose, it kind of gives a little bit of more of an airy vibe. And okay, so I know that this seems like it's full on summer, but it is not for those people that are living in California. I don't think so. And then you can always like button up the shirt again if you're feeling a little cool, or instead of the shorts, which are the Denim Forum Aritzia ones, you can just add blue jeans instead and keep the legs nice and warm. I think here I'm gonna just kind of button it all up. Yeah, so you can just kind of button it up, tuck it in the front one side, because you know that's what's going on these days, you know. Give it a little bit more of a cool girl vibe. Love it with the sneakers. I find this so California chic almost. What do you guys think? I love it. And again, like I said, just add blue jeans if your legs are feeling a little cold. Love the white blouse because it's so crisp and airy, I feel like. And then you can always, like I do here, is add a sweater vest on top if it is a little bit cool. So like I said, layering in the summer, fall is the most important technique to kind of like get. And with the white blouse, it's pretty easy to just add like a vest, and vests are just all over the place right now. It's from dress vests, sweaters, to like just the cropped ones, to like something like this. This one's from H&M, and it's pretty like not that expensive, so it's something to add on, which is awesome. I loved this look. I think I loved them all. I think summer fall is like a great way to showcase your fashion and your style. Thank you all for watching. See you all next time. Bye guys.